The shoulder joint is frequently injured in accidents. Hang on a moment and I'll explain to you the number one reason why. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana injury and accident lawyer. The shoulder joint is injured more than any other joints in accidents because it is so mobile. You see, the shoulder has to allow our arm to go up and to go back and to go out and to go across our body and to externally rotate and to internally rotate and to circumduct. And because the shoulder has to move in all these different directions, the way that the ball and soccer joint works is that the humerus, or the head of the humerus, goes up into the glenoid fossa, but it's held together by a lot of ligaments and a lot of muscles. And so because it's hanging down and because of the mobility, it makes it more susceptible to injury. Now, let's take a look at a shoulder joint and the anatomy so you can truly understand why your shoulder may have been injured in an accident. Okay, so here we have a shoulder joint, and we're looking here from the back side. So I can show you one of the bones called the scapula or the wing bone. Here we have the humerus or the long bone of the arm. This is the humeral head. The glenoid fossa is on the scapula side here, and you'll see where the humeral head goes into the glenoid fossa. And then if we turn around and take a look here from the front, we can see the collar bone or clavicle. You'll see all these ligaments here in the area. These ligaments, like I mentioned, hold the joint so we can get all that movement. But because the joint is held together by ligaments, it is more susceptible to injury. So in review, we have the humerus, the humeral head, the glenoid fossa, the scapula or wing blade or shoulder blade, and the clavicle. So you can have an injury to where the clavicle comes in to the acromion process of the scapula, and that's called the AC joint. You can have a problem in the humeral glenoid joint or glenohumeral joint. You can have a problem with the humeral head, and you can have a problem with the humerus. Now you also have to remember there are a lot of muscles that attach to the shoulder, and the most common group of muscles that are injured are the rotator cuff muscle. If you have any questions about a shoulder joint injury after an accident, you can call me directly on my cell phone at 352-267-9168. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have yourself a great day.